Hello,
Hello, hi.
what is your name?
My name is Tanka Prasad.
Okay, how old are you?
My 24, 24.
Okay, are you married?
Yes,
Where do you from?
Nepal,
Nepal from?
pastor.
Okay, tell me your job experience
Yes, I work before 3 years in India
as a.
as hotel helper, kitchen helper.
Okay, can you explain your job duties?
What mean? Sorry.
Can you explain your job duties as a kitchen helper? Job duties, your job duties.
Yes, kitchen helper.
Can you explain them?
Yes, I working with there before food cutting, uh, cleaner, clean kitchen, and meat cutting. Uh,
Okay, why do you want to apply for job in Romania?
what mean? Sorry.
Why do you want to apply for job in Romania?
Uh, I need money. It's my family. I support. I go India. I go Euro country. Make my future and family.
Okay, if you're selected, how many years would you like to work in Romania?
I working there 5 years.
And what are your salary expectations?
500.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.